Planning to apply for a Myanmar e-visa? Before you begin, let's go through the documents you need. All applicants must prepare two basic documents. First, a clear scan of your passport bio page. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from your entry date. Second, a recent passport size photo. The photo must be clear, in color, and taken against a white background. If you are applying for a tourist e-visa, 2 more documents are required. You must provide a return flight ticket and a hotel booking confirmation for your stay in Myanmar. For a business e-visa, additional documents are needed. These include an invitation letter from a Myanmar company, the company registration certificate, a company extract document, and a business e-visa requisition letter. All files must be uploaded in PDF, JPG, or PNG format. Make sure every document is clear and easy to read. With these documents ready, you can complete your Myanmar e-visa application smoothly.